Omegle, the popular online chat platform, allows users to connect with strangers worldwide. However, encountering an error connecting to the server can be frustrating. In this video, we'll explore some troubleshooting tips to help you resolve this issue and get back to connecting with new people on Omegle. Over time, accumulated cache and cookies can interfere with Omegle's server connection. Clearing these data from your browser settings can potentially fix the issue. Restart your browser and try accessing Omegle again. If you are using a virtual private network, VPN, or a proxy server, temporarily disable them as they can sometimes conflict with the Omegle server. Try connecting without these services enabled. Sometimes lie with your current browser. Switch to a different browser and see if the error persists. Different browsers have varying compatibility with Omegle, so testing on an alternative one might provide a solution. Omegle's server might be experiencing temporary issues or undergoing maintenance. Check their official website or social media accounts for any announcements regarding server outages. If none of the solutions work, the problem may be on Omegle's end. In such cases, waiting for some time and attempting to connect again later often resolves the issue, as server glitches are usually temporary. Encountering an error while connecting to Omegle's server can be a frustrating experience. By following the troubleshooting tips mentioned in this video, you can increase your chances of resolving the issue and enjoy seamless connections with strangers around the world on Omegle. Remember to have patience and keep exploring different solutions until the error is resolved. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.